Hello everyone. Today we are going to a landscape painting with watercolor. Here first we have to draw a format with your pencil. Today I am going to show you how to draw a hill view landscape painting. See, I have drafted some hill and drafting a house, small house in the hill track area. So let's go. Keep watching how I am doing every step. Friend, one thing I must say that uh, sketching, your basic sketch is most important to draw a painting. If your sketch is beautiful, if your sketch is good, your painting will must be good. So you must focus on your basic sketch, basic drawing. So friend, just finish the drafting step. Now we are going to use watercolor. You have to keep in mind that watercolor is must be from light to dark. First, we have to make foundation with light color, then step by step we will go through darker. Here, see before the hillside space, here is a field. As here is a field and we are watching it from a remote site, so it will be lighter. So I have used Indian yellow on this side. See, now I am using light green. See, from my side, from the dark remote side, I have used much more greener than the far away or remote side. See, I am now going to a little bit darker. A shade was used there. There will be shade. That's why I am going a little bit darker. See, the sky is a fresh and very light one. That's why I have used a very light blue light blue watercolor. See, here is a lake, and the reflection of the sky obviously it will be in the lake. So here is a light blue I have used there. A little bit yellow reflect will also be found there, as this is water and reflection will always be there. Now is the time to draw the Hilltrex side house. You all know that Hilltrex side house is a little bit up from the ground. So here you can see the house is seeing that it is above from the ground, and I have draw some sticks, some foundation from the ground. We can see the real fit height of the Hilltrex side. It always seems or looks like brownish. That's why I have used the brown color in here. Here you can see there is a most important thing, that is you have to mention the light shade part of the house, and where is more darker, where is more lighter. You must concern about this. Okay, you can watch where I am using the dark side and light side. You will always have to keep in mind that watercolor is the most fantastic media in painting world. So but the problem is you have to make practice. If you make more practice, you will be more master in watercolor. So watercolor needs a different level of media, different level of ingredients. I will be described you step by step in my another session, how to make a very easy watercolor, and how you can use this media, these ingredients very smoothly, effectively and efficiently. See how I am using the dark side and the light side of the house. This is the most important part. You have to understand the light side and dark side. I am telling is frequently, because uh, a picture quality depends on the your understanding of light and dark side. So you have to keep in mind that where the sunlight, where the light is coming, where the dark side, you must mention. Here are some kind of basic tree format, basic tree figure I am going to draw with this watercolor. But here in my channel you will get how to draw a tree, how to draw a beautiful tree. You will be get such tutorial in my channel. In this painting, in most of the cases, I have directly used the watercolor, but there is a matter of fact that watercolor must be warmed, must be wet, must not when you use watercolor, the surface must not be wet too much. You have to make it dry, then use watercolor, and you will get a better result for this. See, we are almost there. Now we are going to give the finishing touch of this painting. You can see I am just making more reliable, making more visible of the rooftop of the house. See, I am making my nearest place is more darker than that of the far remote place, because when I see the things, when I see a subject from near, I can see more darker, more what it say, more visible. That is. So now it's time to make the hill more visible, more interesting look. Say how I am using colors, how I am using the small part, even each and every part of the hill track. So to see more attractive, more visible. So friend, here you can see we are at the end of the video, end of the tutorial. You can see how I made a step-by-step watercolor painting from the blank page to a beautiful watercolor painting with some basic colors. So keep watching. Thank you.